This is how to register and verify your Binance account. Everything you need to know to stay safe. Binance is one of the largest and most famous cryptocurrency exchanges with a global reach. This exchange has a very large selection of cryptocurrencies, many financial options and trading options, which we will talk about later. Binance requires identity verification after registering an account. I will show you how to go through this process step by step. First of all, I launched the official website. The direct link can be found under this video. I'm going to register button. We can create an account using an email address, phone number, Google, or Apple account. I will use the basic option, that is, email address. I provide my email address. There is a space below to enter your referral ID. You can use my code for a lifetime 10% discount on your trading commission. After entering the code, information about the discount received appears below. Then we read and accept the regulations and privacy policy. Press Next and enter the verification code that will be sent to our email. When the code is ready, I click Submit. I set a password that meets the conditions given below. Please remember to choose a unique password dedicated solely to this platform and refrain from using it anywhere else. After that, our account is ready. You can decide whether you want to receive notifications and whether you want to be logged in by default. I choose to skip this option. Next, we see the main exchange panel. To use the exchange, we need to verify our account. Click the Verify button. At the beginning, we choose the country of residence. You can read that you will need an ID document, and in addition, we will have to fill out a questionnaire consisting of a few simple questions. I go to Continue. It is possible to continue through the application. If you are using it on a mobile device, you can scan the QR code to proceed. This option will be useful if you do not have a webcam on your computer. I will focus on completing this process on the computer. I choose my nationality and provide my name and surname. All data visible on the screen is covered because after so many years of dealing with cryptocurrencies, I take the issue of security quite seriously. I enter my year of birth, month, and day to continue. Then we can verify the given data using the Verify with EDO option. However, I have never used it before and I'm not familiar with it, therefore, I choose to use a regular physical ID document. We choose from two options, US resident or other. At this time, we can use ID, passport, or proof of residence for verification. I'll do it with my passport. I allow the webcam to run, place my document against the designated lines, and then take a photo if everything is correct. In the next part, we need to set our face in the right position. Not too close, not too far, at the level of the line. Follow the on-screen directions. You may be asked to turn your head in a circle. After that, our data and documents are processed. We can start the final stage, which is the personal survey. We have to complete such a survey due to the legal regulations that apply to the stock exchange. It must counteract dirty business, so there will be several questions about our finances. First question. What will you use Binance for? We should provide appropriate information consistent with the actual situation without unnecessary fuss. Second question. What is your main source of income? Based on the answers provided, people are most likely selected for observation in terms of their behavior and actions. But this is just my speculation. What is your employment status? And how much are you going to deposit annually? We're almost at the end. In which industry do you work? Last, which payments are you going to use? Finally, we land on our main panel with information that our application is being verified and it should take about 1 business day. After verification, your account will change to a green verified symbol as on the screen. On the right side, there is information that Level 1 verification has been completed. This is all in this material. In the next one, I will show you how to use the Binance exchange, including how to deposit and send funds, how to trade, use stop loss, and all the other functions. Good luck!